Alright, this is my 2004 IS300. It's got an LS2 swap. The car's kind of a, chassis is kind of a, work in progress, but one of the things that's been bothering me is the heat. No matter where I put the mode, the mode servo doesn't work. So I'm going to replace the mode servo. It doesn't have AC, but the heat temperature seems to work okay, but I'm focusing on the mode. So one of the things I'm going to do when I turn it on, you can change the fan speed. That works. Temperature works. But no matter what I choose here, it only blows out of the defrost vents. So I'd like to get it out of the face vents and into the floor. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. So what I have here, I just bought this off of Amazon. That's the part number for what I looked up. So just open it up. It's cool. It's actually got a Toyota part number tag. I thought this was an aftermarket part, so I'm happy with that. So this is the servo motor. You plug it in here, and then this attaches to the doors inside the HVAC box. So as you change the dial, this will rotate and open the doors in different directions. So let's take a look. All right, there are two little tabs you want to pull out. You just kind of squeeze those in and then pop them out. Should be another one right here. All right, so that gets rid of the hinge on the bottom. Pop it open. Bam. All right, so I can see one of the servos. I can see two of the servos because there's one for the recirculate, and then there's, I don't know which one that is, and then there's another one behind this vent right here. We'll probably have to take that out. Tight. Right. There's a screw right here from the side, and then there's one under here. I'm just gonna take both of these out. And this vent will pop out. Looks like it splits in half. Okay, we're gonna do that. Green. So the screw holding that thing on. So you know what I'm gonna do at this point. So these are the two motors I'm looking at. It's either gonna be this one or this one back there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn on the car and see which one, and if I can narrow them down. All right, so I'm adjusting temperature. Do you see that one moving? Yep, there we go. Yeah, so it's gonna be the easier of the two to get to. I'm adjusting temperature, which I think is gonna be that one in the back. You can see what it's doing. That's typical for a bad servo. The other one's not moving the temperature. Alright, well, you know what? I wonder if I have two bad servo motors. What is? Oh my goodness, man. This car has just got some stuff going on. I don't know why. That looks to me like it's for the heater core, so I don't know why that's just laying up in there. Good grief. Alright, so I'm gonna attack this one right here. So if you look, there's a screw there, and on this top, usually there's not one there. And I cannot feel one, so this one's gonna be easy. I just need to pull that off, pull that off. Yeah, it's not gonna reach it. I don't think this one's gonna work either. So it does grab it.
I really should have a stubby screwdriver. This will work. Take it close, probably walk out with my finger.
Tips. There we go. Alright, now the door is holding two pieces in. So when I pull this out, that door is probably going to fall out of place. Alright, there we go. There you go. Alright, I'm going to go grab the other part. Alright, nothing new or groundbreaking here, but it would be cool to compare the two. So it does look like a similar design. You know, it's just rotated in a different position, but you do want to make sure that they match up. So connectors look good. Just to get this held in place, I'll put one screw in there. Now this vent that was giving us trouble, there's a screw that actually goes through the vent, through the servo. So we'll go ahead and put that in because it's easy to get to. There's grease all over the place, but all right. The other one was just a little more difficult to get to, but we'll hold off on that. Probably should plug this thing in before I put it in there. All right, let's turn the car on and see if it works. All right, perfect. You know, still, I don't know why the temperature won. I think my temperature one's dead as well, which really sucks. That one's more difficult to get to because you see these pipes right here. Those are for the heater core, and they cover up that. Air flowing through here fast.
Better look at this corner. Yeah, I think that's gonna look better. That's it. Alright.
face. It's face and floor. Definitely feel it down there. That's just floor. Nothing out there. That's floor and defrost. And just defrost. Perfect. Alright, there it is. Pretty easy job. Took about 20 minutes. Just need a screwdriver and really just a screwdriver. I mean, the job totally easy. Looks like I have a problem with my temperature control one too. I didn't realize that, so I'm gonna order another one of those. And yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know.